I didn't think it'd be that fast, much faster. What is going on, guys? As you can see, got the Scrambler loaded up today, and I don't know, Big Bertha here using the small trailer. Got her loaded up, going out to my buddy's property to really see what we can do. He just bought a new Scrambler 500. Of course, you know, had to one-up me, but we're gonna test the limits today. We're gonna see which one is truly better and more worth your money. So we're gonna get on the road here. We're gonna go see him up to his property, and I'll see you guys when I get there. So guys, I know I said we'd catch up on our way there, but I wanted to talk about some things before we actually got there. I know last video I put up, I know the GoPro angle was a little bit janky on there, and I'm hoping to fix the angle. If not, I have my OG helmet with me that has the better angle, and so it can get better sound and stuff. It is a little windy out today, so I'm hoping that the wind won't affect us too much, but we'll have to find out. So like I said, 400 versus 500 today. We're gonna go out and see how they're gonna do. So I'll see you when I get there, and we'll start unloading these things, and we'll do a walk around to his quad and see what we got going versus my quad, and we'll see what we got going. So I'll see you when I get there. So right now we're pulling up here. It looks like he's got the old 500 up there. Get out, my peach. Look at this guy. All right, we're gonna get out, check this thing out real quick. She's a dud. Turn that choke on, bro. You gotta choke it. There we go. That worked. Alright, let's see what we got going over here. This is 4-wheel drive, this is the 4-stroke. So I don't know which one's gonna be that much faster. He might have more torque on me. I might have top speed, I don't know. Look at the exhaust in this though, it's weird. I think the exhaust on yours is so weird. How it just pops out the bottom like that.
That's how this one is.
Is it really? Oh, it is too. That's how all the 4-strokes are?
Yeah.
Mine just comes out the ass end. Calls it good. Alright. I'm gonna get mine unloaded, and we'll get more into this real quick. Now that my battery actually works, I can just boop boop, and let's put her in neutral. Boop boop, and oh, I jinxed it. I'm coming over here, hopefully oh yeah, look at him rip. Look at him rip over there. Hopefully his angle's a little better. Oh yeah. Alright, here we go, guys. So hopefully the angle's a little better for you guys today. GoPro's not really charged. I don't know how much fluid I'm gonna get. It'll be good. Alright, so we're gonna see which one's really faster.
First one, I'm gonna go in 2-wheel. Second one, I'll go in 4.
Okay.
You ready?
Yeah. Oh, fuck. God damn it. I spun so hard off the line though. Bro, I spun so hard off the line.
Bro, this thing's fucking crazy.
I know. Off the line, I was just like,
Hey, we'll do a rolling.
okay. Holy crap! Holy crap!
start
was like,
going,
oh
and
my
then
God.
it just goes.
Holy crap.
And that was 2 wheels. Should we try 4 wheels, see if it's faster?
Yeah. I bet that wind sucks for you guys. I'm so sorry.
It's fucking dense.
I know. I hate how this didn't charge.
I love how that sounds, though. Dude, this sounds fucking yes.
I love it.
This thing's gonna be badass on the dunes.
Oh yeah, I'm ready this summer. Holy crap, guys. So the 500 definitely is way faster. Got a little toe drag in there, let's go. Got her back on the old trail box back there. There we go, boys and girls. I don't know how long the GoPro's gonna last, like I said. We're gonna let it go. He'll climb. Yeah, dude. I don't know if I want to do that. Can't start on the road, guys. Can't help it. I just run out of gas. Alright guys, I ran out of gas but I refilled. We're gonna test this out real quick. Rerun this trail because I ran out of gas. Sorry about the wind.
So, first big accident on the quad. I just done broke the whole shit.
It was one of those I should have filmed moments.
Yeah, we didn't get it on film, but I looped it at the top of that hill and came back down. But you know what? We sent it.
We sent it. That was
that's all that matters. It would have been even more worth it if we were filming, but
I wish I was. I was thinking
holy
I
crap.
That's the only thing
Bro,
with it, though?
I think so. I think the rest of it's all good. I pretty much leg pressed the quad up into the air off of
I was
me.
gonna say I watched you like almost tipped it back on him and he flipped it off of him, and that's when she landed right on the side. Like
Yeah.
right into the nose.
Yeah, you know, stuff happens though. You know, we might just rivet it out and just zip tie her up for now. And not the graphic though, dude.
See, we've decided though you're gonna keep it.
Yeah, so you know what? I was thinking of a new color scheme on this thing anyway. So it's all
New
right.
plastics. He's going purple this time.
No, I was gonna murder it out.
Black.
Yeah, all black.
Black scrambler.
But keep the
White
red.
graphics.
But keep the red. Yeah, do white graphics with the red stuff still on it though.
All right, I like it.
And
I like
so I guess
it. New graphics coming soon. New plastics coming
plastic's coming soon, dude. God.
Nah, make it a Frankenstein. Do black and then zip tie these.
Dude, honestly.
Take it off, zip tie it really nicely back together,
Yeah, that would be good.
and then black it out.
Oh.
I think we're gonna do it.
You guys don't even see really the magnitude of how like kind of steep this hill
I
is.
was gonna say, hold on, let's walk up.
Yeah,
I can kind of.
let me walk up this. This is where I hit right here, isn't it?
Yeah.
Where I looped, where I just kind of caught it, looped up right here.
Actually, I think this is where the nose hit. I think you looped it off this.
Yeah, right
Because
here.
you kind of went up into this branches
Yeah,
of
so-
trees right there.
I fell backwards like down this way, but I leg pressed the quad off of me before it actually hit. Dude, that was
actually super steep.
this is so steep. Like, look at the angle of my boot.
Good idea.
I don't know. You know what? I think if I wouldn't have revved it out at the top and just kind of let it pop up and coast, I think I would have got it.
You might have made it.
That's what got me though. I was like, I gotta give it juice. I was doing so good. I was like, all right, we're getting this. And then I'm like, oh shoot.
We didn't get it this time.
No.
Next time. Should I try on 4-wheel?
Try it in 4-wheel and I'll actually record it.
I don't know if I want that to happen.
Yeah, it's all right. It's all right. Good thing is I didn't get injured from it though. I mean, I'm probably gonna feel it tomorrow, but it's all right.
Should we try it?
I think you should give it a run. Just don't give it that much juice that I did.
Don't give it as much juice.
Don't give it as much
It's
juice.
a 4-stroke. It doesn't just power band.
Dude, that thing caught the power band and she's like, whoop! Oh,
Power band on this is pretty dang crazy.
I wish we got that on film, dude.
I know, that would have been great. Let's do it one more time.
Fuck off. I got like PTSD now. I ain't doing it again.
Shoot.
That was tough. At least that's the only thing that broke though.
I know. Even the handlebars aren't even tweaked.
Oh, she's
These lights are a little tweaked.
Fuck 'em.
We don't have to talk about that.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
Clean. Fresh.
Clean, dude. Never happened.
Surf Pro. Like it
Yep.
never even happened. I like it.
I like it too.
Alright, well.
So he's gonna try it in 4-wheel here. See if we're gonna get it on the whole 500. I think you got it. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yep. That was easy. But he had the front 2 wheels spinning. I didn't. I had just the back 2. You had that no problem.
4-wheel drive, it wasn't bad.
No?
No.
If only my 4-wheel drive actually worked, but it doesn't, which is so dumb. But I think we're gonna hop back on, maybe rip a little more. Just depends how this is gonna flap in the wind. So my GoPro unfortunately died, or else you would have got that recording, everything recorded. Yeah, so we're probably just gonna drive around for a little bit more and call it a day. So yeah. Well, guys, sorry about the wind, but it was a pretty good day. I had fun. Even though I broke a quad, it's all right. It's just made for better things. I am feeling a little bit off the hill, but that's all right. He's trying to get that up that sketchy way again. Look at him go. But yeah, it was a good day. Definitely 500's faster for sure. How we know that? 400 still rips. I gotta fix the carb or something on it. It's not getting fuel right. It keeps cutting out, but yeah.
I think you should put a ratchet strap over this so that doesn't rip off while you're driving.
I think that's a good idea.
think it's a very good idea. So yeah.
Said that you moved on. Where did I go wrong? I tried to make you stay, but I guess my love wasn't enough. Was it me or was it you, love?